Hello everyone. Today I'm heading to Mannar with my family and we took a three-wheeler to Colombo Fort to catch our 3:45 p.m. train. And it was wonderful to be joined by my loved ones along the way. Despite a slight delay, we are super excited to share our journey with you. So let's get started and see what this trip has in store for us.
ඔබ පෙරදා ආදරෙන් මාලකින් මුන්නැති ඒ සමරුන් රූතමයි ජීවිතේ මතකද හැන්දෑවේ අපි දෙන්නා වන්දාරම් මදුවේ අවසක්
The train to Mannar was supposed to arrive at 9:45 p.m. but it's now 11:20 p.m. and we are still rolling because the train is about 2 hours late today. Now 12:20 a.m. and finally we are getting off at Mannar station. Long journey, but we made it. It's the next day morning of our journey and right now it's around 6 a.m. We are standing in front of a peaceful lagoon. Even though it's a lagoon, this has its own quiet beauty. The golden light and the morning breeze make this moment feel magical. Now we are about to go explore the beautiful places in Mannar. So first we are heading to see the famous baobab tree. On our way from the campsite, we have come across this stunning salt lake. The baobab tree, a majestic sight in Mannar, Sri Lanka. This ancient tree, estimated to be over 700 years old, is a rare and exotic species. Its massive trunk, branches, and unique shape make it a breathtaking sight. Brought by Arabian traders or sailors, this tree has adapted to the local climate, thriving for centuries. Locals believe the tree has healing powers and it's said to be a symbol of good luck. The baobab tree is not just a natural wonder but also a testament to Mannar's rich history and cultural significance. Mannar Fort is a historic fort built by the Portuguese in 1560. Later, the Dutch and the British took control and it was used for defense and trade. The fort has thick walls and old structures that still stand today. It tells the story of colonial times in Sri Lanka. Yodavaga is a large ancient irrigation tank in the Mannar district of Sri Lanka, built by King Dhatusena in the 5th century. It is a historically significant and massive water body fed by the Malwatu Oil River, and it is vital for irrigating the surrounding agricultural lands. While there is another tank named Yodavawa in Tisamaharama, the one in Mannar is the larger and more well known. Mother Church is a famous Catholic church in Mannar, Sri Lanka. It is very special because it has a statue of Our Lady of Madhu, which was brought here in the 17th century to keep it safe from the Dutch. Every year in August, there is a big festival at the church and thousands of people visit. When you visit Madhu Church, you must follow the dress rules. Boys and men cannot wear shorts. Girls and women must wear modest clothes. No short dresses, no sleeveless tops like that. If your clothes don't match the dress code, don't worry. The church will give you sarongs for boys and men and shawls or lungis for girls and women. So you can still go inside and join the prayers.
හිමින් සැරේ ඇවිත් නොයා මගේ කනට කුඳුරලා ගියා ඔයා මගේ වෙන කාගේවත් නොවේ කියා සිතින් අනේ පතන්නේ මායත් මගේම වෙන්න කියා ඔයා රකින්න මාගේ ජීවිතේ පුරා.
Now we are at the northwestern end of Sri Lanka. It's Mannar Pier, Mannar Lighthouse, and at the end of the railway. Tonight we had a small gathering filled with laughter, good food, and great company. It's next day morning and we are going to see the beautiful places in Jaffna. Jaffna Public Library is one of the most important cultural landmarks in Sri Lanka. Built in 1933, it was once one of the largest and best libraries in Asia, holding over 90,000 rare books and manuscripts. Sadly, it was destroyed by fire in 1981 during civil unrest, which was a huge cultural loss. However, the library has been rebuilt and restored, and today it stands not only as a center of learning but also as a symbol of peace, resilience, and the enduring value of knowledge for future generations. Point Pedro is the northernmost point of Sri Lanka. It's a peaceful coastal town with beautiful views and historical landmarks. One highlight is the Point Pedro Lighthouse, guiding ships for years. Nearby, you will also find one of Sri Lanka's oldest red post boxes, still standing strong. This spot marks the end of the northern edge of island. A must visit for those who love travel, history, and quiet coastal charm. It was fun exploring Jaffna, and now we are at the Kankasanture railway station. Let's say goodbye to our journey and thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye bye.